Welcome to the premiere of the all-new BMW M5. But we're not just here for the all-new M5, we brought the entire lineup. The car next to me is the E28. In 1985, this car was the very first car that incorporated racetrack technology into a business sedan. We therefore founded an entire new segment, the high-performance sedan. Let's start with the front. Clean, modern and striking. L-shaped light tubes, high-gloss black air intake, a single-piece kidney grille in high-gloss black with the M5 competition badge, and Imola red. For me, this car is very dramatic looking and sporty. We were able to take over the damper system from the M8 competition Grand Coupe. This improved dynamic as well as long-distance comfort. The car on site offers the optional carbon ceramic brake disc with the gold calipers, but also the well-known M compound brakes are now available in high-gloss black and red calipers. The rear, fuller, flatter and more dynamic. We changed the bumper to incorporate an all-new taillight in a three-dimensional geometry with darkened glass. This gives the car a very dramatic look. The interior of the BMW M5 was amazing and still is. Our customers love the driver orientation and the M-specific details, such as the illuminated M badges in the M Sport seats, the gear lever or the M seat belts. Some of you might miss the 3 buttons for chassis, engine and steering in the center console. We incorporated a more intuitive setup menu that gives you the option to get your settings in the brand new center information display that's even bigger now with 12.3 inches. This brand new BMW M5 definitely continues the success story of being the ultimate high-performance business sedan. I hope you enjoyed the premiere as much as I did, but now, since we have the entire family here, let's have a short walk around.